Today, on Guess What I Found Out, we're going to discover some facts about water, yes, the same liquid you spill on your shirt daily, that prove it's the most scientifically rebellious substance on Earth. Bold claim incoming. Water disobeys the laws of physics more often than I disobey the expired date on my groceries. Curious George, if you thought water was just wet, buckle up. This stuff is so weird, it causes arguments in scientific conferences, actual arguments, with PowerPoint slides. Even ice's slipperiness has a wild explanation. Those surface molecules on ice? Well, they're basically unstable toddlers on rolling stools. They wobble, they roll, and they act as natural lubrication, making skating possible, and frankly, winter just a bit terrifying. Scientists weren't satisfied with water being weird in just one way, so they discovered it's weird in two ways. Computer simulations showed that water can exist as two liquids, high-density liquid, think of it as the compact, crowded party, and low-density liquid, which is more like the airy, spaced-out introvert gathering. At room temperature, these two structures are constantly fluctuating. But at colder temperatures, low-density liquid takes over, and that explains why water expands as it approaches freezing. The hypothesis remained unproven until a high-speed experiment using the LCLS X-ray laser at Stanford and a laser-heated glassy ice sample at -200 degrees Celsius generated the first visual evidence. A second ring appeared in X-ray patterns, revealing water's dual liquid phases. TAP liked to support scientists spending millions to prove water has mood swings. Hydrogen bonds don't only dominate water, they stabilize DNA, proteins, and cellular structures. Recent experiments show that a single charged molecule can influence billions of neighboring water molecules instantly, creating long-distance correlation. This suggests water isn't just a solvent, it's a communication network, potentially acting as the intracellular version of Wi-Fi. And those two liquid phases? Some researchers propose they could function like binary states, the ones and zeros of nature's biochemical computer. So let's loop back to our bold opening. Water is the most scientifically rebellious substance on Earth, and we proved it by exploring, first, ice floating when it absolutely shouldn't. Second, density peaks at 4 degrees Celsius that defy thermodynamics. Third, high heat capacity shaping global climate. Fourth, capillary forces and surface tension enabling life. Fifth, slippery ice explained by rolling surface molecules. Sixth, experimental proof that water exists as two competing liquids. And seventh, biological systems relying on water as a molecular messenger. Curious George, got any extra water facts, weird ice behavior, crazy climate phenomena, or hydration myths? Drop them in the comments. I read them, I steal the good ones, and they end up in future episodes. And if you enjoy sarcasm, science, and molecules with personality disorders, stick around for the next video.